Dinner's ready.
Oh.
I made your favorite cookies.
Oh.
Hi, kids. Daddy's home. My girls. Dad missed you so much. Is that your ex? The girl's dad? Sorry, honey. I should have introduced you. Who is that? Your stepdad? Hey, bro. Welcome to the family. Justin, want to play football?
Oh.
Sweetie, I can play with you instead. Justin hates sports. Here's me playing competitively. Whoa, you are so cool. I'll teach you to play. Justin, watch the ball. I can play too.
Huh?
Whoops! It's Chris's fault. Hi, sweetie. Are you drawing our family? And that's me?
Oh.
So nice. Nope, that's my dad. So where am I? Over there, hanging on the fridge. What? Is that me? That's mean. What's wrong with Stacy? I need to take care of it. Sweetheart, what happened? I'm getting bullied at school. Look at that. She can read too. So smart. What's for lunch? Give it back! Oh, little princess! I'll have your banana. I'm not scared to go to college anymore. I'll handle it. Sit, you nerd. This is a case for a real dad. Let me go first.
Okay.
Gentlemen, what about 100 for everyone? If you don't bully Stacy ever again, deal?
Huh?
Move, banker! Come here, worms! You have no idea who you are messing with! Stay away from my daughter!
Oh.
Did I make it clear? Sure! Here, have my lunch! Thank you for your help, Justin!
Huh?
I'm shooting! Sweetie, I'm ready! Go ahead! First! Second! Third! I caught it all! Daddy, you are so fast!
Hey.
Try shooting at me!
Huh?
I can also catch it all! Show him no mercy, sweetie! Go, go, go! Ouch! Why did you... Buddy, you lost! Hi, sweetie! Whoa, Daddy! Can you skateboard? That's easy! I can skateboard too! Let me show you! Justin is out on the road!
Oh.
Ouch! I need another take!
No,
You are about to
no.
see it!
What?
Oh.
Whoops! Honey, what? Were you skateboarding again? Let me help! Your ex-husband did it! Jenny! Hi, Chris!
Huh?
What's up with you? Drop everything! Let's remember the good old days! This is for you! Thanks! I'll put this flower in a vase. Next to the bouquet Justin gave me.
Huh?
What? That nerd knows how to give flowers? Yeah, I'm full of surprises. Go to sleep, kids. I'll read you a bedtime story. Blah, blah, blah. This is the most boring bedtime story ever. I'll listen to Billie Eilish instead.
Huh?
Why don't you want to listen to me? Having trouble, buddy? I'll take care of this. Lie still. Close your eyes and fall asleep. Sweet dreams, little angels. I didn't know you could do that. Oh, a toy gun. Pew, pew. I'll get it for my girls. I'm buying all this. Ah! Okay, just don't shoot. I'll give you all the money. What? It's a toy gun. Oh, it's him again. Quiet, buddy. You won't hurt anyone. The criminal is disarmed. Have a nice day. You're our superhero. And I also want new sneakers. What? I am your father. Baby, don't look. Driver, go. Where are you going, Justin?
What?
Dreams are crazy sometimes. A family photo shoot. Justin, would you move to the left?
Huh?
A bit more, Justin. And a bit more to the side. Go to the wall. Justin, come here. Who, me? Yeah, you got a new role. Hold the reflector. Okay, smile. Oh, my alarm. It's time for a workout. 5 minutes for abs. Whatever. What a show-off. Any results yet? Yeah, check out my six-pack. All right, I can do it too. Look, I have Mr. Six-Pack. Oh, I am so strong. Honey, you are amazing. Nice going, bro. You are so chubby. Don't touch Mr. Six-Pack. A burger for you, Stacy. Thanks. I can't get the ketchup out. Can you help me? Sure. Let me take care of it. Hang on. There you go. Hey, come out. This ketchup is so stubborn. Having trouble? Let me do it. One smooth move. Thank you, Daddy. Whoa! So much ketchup. Justin, you look great in your red outfit. It looks great on your belly. Who can help me do math? Which one of you is stronger? Sweetie, look at my arms. Impressive, right? Justin, I pick you. I want to pump up my grades too. Don't cry, Justin. Simba will be okay. Chris didn't shed a single tear? I'm gonna make you cry. I can't watch this. Lion King can make even the strongest man cry. Or is it all because of onions? Oh, look, Chris is crying too. Justin, isn't he the cutest? Justin, Dad, I have gifts for you. Here. Wow, these glasses are so manly. I got the same ones. Nice. I almost got shot in that fight. The bullet was so close. But I survived thanks to my good karma. What a nice story. Give me a grape too. Sweetie, Chris, help him. Hello, ambulance. There's a man choking here.
Huh?
Stay calm. I'll do it. One sharp hit, and the grape is saved. Get up, Justin. Whoa! You saved my life. Thank you, buddy. We'll be best friends forever.